In this video, I will show you how to download and install the Verity mod in Minecraft. Want to add an AI-powered companion to your Minecraft world? Stay with me, and I'll walk you through the complete installation process step by step. First, open your browser and go to CurseForge. Search for Verity Mod, and open the official Verity Mod page created by the developer. Make sure to download the latest version that matches your Minecraft version. Once the download is complete, extract the files if they are compressed and keep them ready for installation. Next, open Minecraft and go to Create New World. Before creating the world, make sure the required settings are enabled. Open Settings, scroll down to the General section and turn on WebSockets if it isn't already enabled. Next, return to the World Creation menu and choose your preferred game mode. Then scroll down and enable Cheats, as they're required for some of the mod's features. After that, open the Resource Pack section and activate the Verity Resource Pack. Then check the Behavior Pack section and make sure the Verity Behavior Pack is enabled as well. Now go to Experiments and turn on Beta APIs. This setting is necessary for the mod to function correctly. Once everything is enabled, create and load into your new world. When the world opens, you should see Verity appear in your game. That's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Verity mod in Minecraft and can now start exploring its features. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel